Time is money. I've got my money hat on today for this. So my thing about time today is using Excel. Excel is great for data analysis. It's great for charts and graphs. It's great for doing projections. It's great for looking at trends and analysis. Excel is not something to run your business with all your data. You have systems for that. And one of the systems that I recommend and I implement for people is Power Apps. Power Apps is built on Microsoft Dataverse. And what it is it is a cloud database that you get a base set of features and you build your house from there. So just imagine you open up one of your customers and you see all their data in one place, either in a bunch of screens or a couple tabs, and you hit a button and all that data is in a report. You had nothing to key in, you've had nothing to sit and collect, you've had nothing. Excel isn't meant for that. It's not a document creation tool. It's not meant as a database. It's a spreadsheet tool. So take the next leap, get your time and your money back, and let's get those Excel spreadsheets into a real system that grows and evolves with you. And that's Microsoft Dataverse, that's Microsoft 365, and it's Power Apps.